If you don't have eggs but want to enjoy some delicious cake, don't worry, I got you. Let me show you how to prepare this fluffy and absolutely delicious orange cake without eggs. Start by preheating your oven at 180 degrees centigrade 10 minutes before baking. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. To a bowl, add flour, baking powder, and any flavor of your choice. I'm using ground nutmeg. Mix together and set aside. To the freshly squeezed orange juice, add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix together and set aside. Now to a bowl, add sugar, the orange juice mix, vegetable oil of choice, and mix together for around 30 seconds to a minute until it is well combined. And at this point, add the dry ingredients and mix together until well combined. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we would be adding boiling water, as this adds to the fluffy texture of the cake. So gently add some boiling water and mix until well combined. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Once you have a well combined batter, pour into a baking pan and bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for around 25 to 30 minutes, or until an inserted toothpick comes out dry. Once the cake is baked, remove from the heat, allow to rest for around 10 minutes, and then enjoy! Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, let me know in the comments section if you tried this recipe. And until next time, remain blessed.